Hello, in today's video, we will show you how you can build your first PC in less than 5 minutes. Sounds possible? You betcha. Let's go ahead and get started. So of course you're going to need your CPU, storage device, a motherboard, a video card, RAM sticks, power supply, and of course your case. Now go ahead and position the motherboard so that it's facing towards you, and grab your CPU and align the arrow on the CPU with the arrow on the motherboard socket. Next, you can go ahead and install your memory sticks. There's typically a notch located on the memory stick itself. You want to align this with the notches on the motherboard's memory slots. It only goes in one way. After that, we can go ahead and install our storage device. In our case, we're using an M.2 for ease of access. Before purchasing an M.2, make sure your motherboard has support for an M.2. We need to apply some thermal paste. Go ahead and apply a P-shaped amount onto the CPU. And after that, you can go ahead and install your CPU cooler. When installing anything with cables, it's a good idea to do a little bit of cable management to spare you the headaches you will encounter down the road. Now go ahead and place your motherboard assembly off to the side. Take out your case and remove the case panels. Place them in a location where they wouldn't get damaged. Grab your motherboard's I/O shield from the motherboard box and install it into the back of the case. Next, carefully place your motherboard into the case, aligning the screw holes on the motherboard with the standoffs in the case. Once aligned, go ahead and screw your motherboard screws inside the case. Next, go ahead and plug in your USB 3.0 header and Type-C header if your case has one. We now want to go ahead and plug in our HD audio cable, and our front panel connectors. Some cases make it convenient by putting the front panel connectors into one block. However, if you have a case that follows a more conventional approach, go ahead and follow this diagram here. Motherboard manufacturers also label the front panel pinouts on the motherboard itself, typically located in the bottom right corner. The next step is to place your power supply into the case. Grab your case screws and install the power supply. The next step is to go ahead and route your power supply's CPU and motherboard power cables from the back of the case to the front of the case. And then go ahead and install your CPU 8-pin power connectors and your motherboard's 24-pin power connectors. Typically, after you install the power supply, you will have a lot of cables lying around. This is where you will do the majority of the cable management. The last step is to go ahead and install the video card, as well as the video card's power cable if the video card has a power connector. Now, go ahead and grab your case panels, install them in the order you took them off, and you are good to go. So how long did it take you guys to build your first PC? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.